Burr, 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 burr.
Cole Palmer.
It's cold.
Can you say Cole Palmer?
Cole Palmer.
And go like this.
This is Dylan's Christmas present. We're at the Botanical Gardens watching trains. It's 23 degrees.
It's nice.
But it's great. Hey babe. Dylan. Say hi. Thank you. Dylan. Wait a sec. Dylan. We're in the rainforest, but in the Amazon, but there's music playing and it's a lot more colorful than I thought it would be.
This is the best Christmas present ever.
Good. These are like the biggest lily pads ever. Don't even know if it counts as a lily pad. I don't know. No, Dylan. We're in the desert now. Is this aloe vera? I love these ones. They look like little, kind of like an olive tree mixed with a rose bush. I want those in my home, my future home. That's a really pretty one. Oh my god, train.